So, a good friend of mine from, well, we actually met in Costa Rica when we were on study abroad there, but really a good friend from New York, is coming to Puerto Rico for a few days tonight. Lands late, but I think I'm gonna go get him at the airport. So yeah, we'll see. I don't have any idea what we're gonna get up to the next few days, but I actually don't have to work tomorrow, so something fun, and I'm gonna try and film it. Okay, I'm so nice. It's 2 in the morning, and here I am at SJU to pick up my friend. See if he comes out. Look what the cat dragged in at 3 in the morning. Wow, so he literally came when it was like a tropical storm. Rainiest day of the year. We're in Viejo San Juan for some food. Lol at us trying to like enjoy this gorgeous day. So the rain yesterday was crazy. Like, yeah, it was just like a crazy storm. What did we do? We walked around in Viejo San Juan a little bit in the rain, and then just like hung out inside. Honestly, it was just like, yeah, all the streets were flooded. It was nuts. I'm always like, I live here, so I know that like most of the time it's sunny and gorgeous, and it's just like when people come here for a few days and it happens to be like this, it's like, oh my god, I don't know. Yeah, anyway, so today is a little bit better. It's cloudy and it's been raining off and on, but no tours at my job today because of the river being flooded out. Hopefully back to working tomorrow. But so we're gonna adventure and find some fun. We're gonna drive and maybe see if we can find a beach with a little bit of sun. But yeah, yesterday we were gonna go out, but we didn't. Like, we went out for dinner and just went to like a club bar right by my friend's hotel, and it was pretty empty. I mean, we had fun for a while, but I think everyone just stayed in because of the rain. So yeah, tomorrow I'm planning to take him on my tour at work, and then hopefully he'll get like one nice day of sun while he's here. But yeah, today we're gonna go I'm about to go pick him up, and then we're gonna go try and find some sun and some beach somewhere. You can see it's like the sun's out a little bit. So yeah, look at this. The ocean is nuts. Wow, what a beautiful day.
Not gonna stop me.
Okay, so my tour was canceled, but it rained all night, but the sun has come out, so we are at the beach. And yeah, that's about it. Ran some errands. We're gonna go to some bomba tonight. That's about it.
siempre lo llevo. Yo no traje mi bandero, ay mi bandero.
So, yesterday we did not get to go to the rainforest. Even though it stopped raining, the river was still flooded. It might still be today, I'm not sure. But we went to the beach instead. It was nice. And then I was able to take Lyle to see some plena in the evening, which was really fun. And today we're gonna try and go into the rainforest, not the place where I work, but a different trail. And then maybe go to the beach again. Lyle heads out tomorrow and I work tomorrow, thank God. So yeah, but hopefully a nice last day. Hello from a future me who did not properly finish and wrap up this video. But basically on my friend's last day, we went out with another friend for dinner. We had a really nice time. Was sad to see him go, so thanks for visiting.